Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Neff, right? Hope you guys are having a great day. And today I'm about to bring you guys some mega ultra heat right here. Check out the, wait a minute. These are fire, right?
What are those?
Just kidding, guys. Let's get into the video. Come on. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Neff, right? I hope you guys are having a great day and I hope you guys are having a blessed day. In today's video, I thought I would do a review on a pair of sneakers that came out on March 7th. If you haven't already seen my last video, definitely go check that out. It was a mall vlog. Basically what I went ahead and did, I just went to the mall and I showed off exactly all the stores that got sold out of these UNCs, and they sold out quick. If you haven't already, make sure you please follow me on Instagram down below. Also make sure you sub to the channel. My @ will be in the description down below, so definitely check me out. The reason why I like for you guys to follow me is because it lets me know what you guys like to see, and on top of that, I like for you guys to keep up with what I'm doing as well. So without further ado, before we even go into this review, I have a couple things I want to talk about. Today, which is March 10th, it's my birthday, so I'm so excited. I hope that many of you guys are having a great day. Also, the Sakai's came out today, which dropped on Nike. They dropped around 7 my time, I think 10 o'clock for other people's time. But did anybody take a W? I took a bad L, I'm not gonna lie. I woke up, like I said, they dropped at 7. I woke up around 7:04. I was 4 minutes late. Dude, they sold out fast. I know there was the black with the white sole, and then there was the all black colorway, and then there was the cream, was it the cream colorway as well? They were very clean. I really wanted to pick them up, you know, but I just couldn't. So let me know down below, did you guys hit, did you guys not? And if you did, shoot, let me know. Moving on, however, though, we're getting ready to go ahead and talk about these over here. I just got the package to the door right now, so we're gonna unbox them, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say right now, I think that these personally are going to be the best 3s of the year, if you ask me. I don't care what nobody says. These look so clean. I mean, I haven't seen them just yet. I'm getting ready to go ahead and unbox them, but from other images I've seen, these are super dope, and I'm actually very excited to bring this review. So let's get into it. Oh, got a box, and let's do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my knife. Ding. Everyone be careful. When you use a knife, you gotta be very careful, okay? Don't want no one cutting into all that. So yeah, these are the Air Jordan 3 with the UNC colorway. And man, I'm sorry, I think that any UNC colorway is always gonna sell out. Like, it just always will sell out. I mean, it's just oh my goodness. Woo. So when we open the box, we get greeted with, don't need that, we get greeted with the UNC colorway. Nike, you're doing amazing on the presentation for these boxes for this year. Literally, the red cements, the unites, if you guys want to call them, the presentation for that was beautiful. This presentation is beautiful. Like, literally, you're greeted with the Jumpman on it, with that blue box. Look at the blue top. Look at I'll even show you guys the other part as well. Look at the red Jumpman. All right, let's go. So I'm gonna read you guys the size tag. So I got the Air Jordan 3, and the colorway reads white, Valor blue, and tech gray. And as you guys can see, I got a size 11. And honestly, I'm getting ready to get my very first reaction. These are clean. These are clean. I can already tell you. I haven't even looked at them, and I can tell you they're clean. So here we go. Ooh, pop the box off. Put it right here. Oh, look inside the top. All that red color right there. It's so nice. Ooh, okay. You got the elephant print paper when you first open the box. Here we go. Oh my god, dude, check it out. The Air Jordan 3 UNCs, baby. Look how clean these look. Now I understand why I understand why people were going crazy for these. I understand how fast they sold out. Like, just look at that. Bro, this is honestly a very clean sneaker. I hope everyone, if you pick these up, I hope you treat them with so much respect because they're so clean. So that's the left, and then here is the right. Let me go ahead and get the box out the way. So we have the sneakers right now. Boom. I'll get you guys the side view, the heel, the side, and then the front. Look at the tongue. Look at the Jumpman on the tongue. That's clean. That is clean. And then you got the elephant print near the sole as well with the navy, with the, is this like Vec? Is this the Tech blue? The Valor blue they're talking about? No, this is like navy on the Air. A lot of people were saying that they wanted this to be the Nike Air on it, but honestly, I like it the way it is with the Jumpman. This is clean. Nike, you've outdone yourself. Jordan brand, keep doing what you're doing. And guys, like, these are a clean sneaker. Like, look at the sole. Look at that light blue that you have on it. Look how it says Jordan too. Jordan on the bottom right there. These are so nice, dude. I can't wait to put these on and show you guys the on-feet review. I cannot wait. Oh, so this is cool. This is a cool thing. So the left pair, if you can see, it says sole, and then you look at the insole of the shoe too. It reads size tag, size 11, and it does say team. And then so the right one says sole, and then when the left one says sole, I'm sorry, and the right one says heart, is it? Yeah, it's heart. That's clean, yo. This is a clean sneaker. You know, the sneaker honestly speaks for itself. Like I said, I see why this sold out. I absolutely I'll be taking very good care of these pairs. Let me know what you guys will be doing with yours. I mean, these are just, this is a clean shoe, bruh. This is, I know I keep on saying I sound like a broken record, but it's like I said, the shoe speaks for itself. The shoe speaks for itself. Too bad it didn't come with a set of other laces, but I mean, I can go ahead and, you know, I have laces in there, I'll probably swap later. So this is gonna conclude the video. Thank you guys so much. I'm getting ready to go ahead and show you guys the on-feet review for these. You know, thank you guys so much for my videos. Thank you guys also for the birthday wishes. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. You know, I'm the big 22 now, and it's just, you know, as I get older, I just start to get more appreciative of things, appreciative of life, all the small, you know, all the materialistic things that I wanted when I was younger. Like, I don't really want that anymore. It's just more of like support and making sure that people just have, you know, positivity, love, and, you know, and everyone just comes together, can be just good. And so the support that you guys are giving me, I absolutely love, and thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Like I always say, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the on-feet review for these, and I'm gonna go and break with the video. My name's Nephrite. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.